Hello everyone. Today we will make a yummy sweet mango dosa for kids. These are so delicious that they will become your children's favorite. And these are at the same time these are so easy to make that you can whip them up in no time for breakfast or an evening snack. All that we need to make these is ready-made dosa batter, mango puree and a pinch of cardamom powder. Now to make this mango dosa batter, we will mix all these ingredients. So I'm adding the mango puree to the batter and mixing it. You can even let your kids mix it. I'm adding the cardamom powder. My daughter loves to mix, so I let her do it. And the batter is ready now, and we are ready to make the dosas. So my pan is hot. I've put a little ghee on it. Let the ghee melt and then grease the pan. And now we will add a little batter onto the greased pan. We are not going to make very big or thin dosas. These will be uh, slightly thicker dosas. A little like, pancakes. So spread the batter and then we have to let it cook for some time. You can cover it to aid the cooking. And once you see that bubbles have started forming on one side, which means the underside has been cooked, we will flip it. So gently use your spatula to flip it and see how nicely golden brown it is. So just let it cook for some time on the other side as well, and then we will flip it again. And here our dosa is ready. We'll take it out and make similar dosas and let your kids enjoy.